Mabuku ma guthomwo ni arutwo aria maraingira kirathi kia grade 10 mabatie kwambiriria kunyagio mathukuru-ini gatagati ka mweri uyu wa 10 na mweri wa Dithemba niguo gutigirira mathomo ni makinyanira gutari na muhinga mwaka turorete. Ona kuri uguo mabuku maya matiri maracabithio na gucerithirio kwamo kumanite na gukorwo thirikari ndirirarekereria mbeca cia kuriha mathiri kuri ngwataniro ya acabithia a mabuku niyo KPA.
This debt, which is quite huge by any standards, has created a ripple effect across the entire book value chain. Because we as publishers have not been paid, we have not been able to settle dues owed to our various service providers and mainly printers who are now owed an approximate amount of 4 billion Kenya shillings.
Muikariri giti ngwataniro-ini no Kiarie Kamau atariirie thirĩ wa ciringi birioni 11.4 nicio thirikari ibataire kuriha niguo mahote gucabithia mabuku milioni 7 ma mathomo matiganite mari arutwo a grade 10 matanyitwo gugathoma.
Operations within our publishing houses have been severely constrained, with many publishers struggling to meet day-to-day operational costs.
Thirĩ uyu ungikorwo utarihitwo ihinda-ini riria riagiriire, acabithia aya maugite arutwo matikahota kwamukira mabuku macio kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka wa 2026 amu kurabatarania ihinda ria mieri 2 ria gucaba na gutwara mabuku macio mathukuru-ini.
In the event that we are not paid in a timely manner, this 11.4 billion, there is likelihood of a ripple effect in terms of printers that we use not having the capacity to print these books, and hence a delay in the supply of books. That is why we are
gukiri uguo moritie thirikari kurekereria mbeca icio niguo mathomo makinyanire gutari na muhinga amu aya ni arutwo a mbere maraingira mathomo-ini ma senior school. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.